Cokley, and I'm back for another video. And as you can see from the title, today we are going to be talking about how to not be insecure, how to not compare yourself, all that fun stuff, okay? If you hear my stomach growling, don't say anything. I'm like starving myself to do this video for y'all. So yeah, just appreciate my loyalty and dedication, okay? You guys have been asking me to do something like this for a while now, and I didn't want to just put it out because I talk about things like this a lot in like my chit chats and stuff like that. I'll like put the card here if you want to. Here. You know what I'm saying. I like talk about that stuff a lot, but I wanted to sit down and make like a dedicated video on like specifically how to not be insecure, whether you're in a relationship or not. Alright y'all, so I forgot to show y'all, I got another box from Boxy Charm, and I know y'all like seeing this stuff that's inside of it, so I thought I would just insert this real quick. If you don't care about it, I'll put the timestamps, whatever. But it is a good box this month, so I'm gonna swatch some and then actually use some, which is what I'll look like in the video like a minute ahead from now. So if you care about it, keep watching. So look what the first thing is. So we got this Apollo's Choice, the BHA exfoliant. I don't really know how I could swatch this. You just have to kind of use it, but you get a really generous amount. Y'all know BoxyCharm gives y'all full-size products, so this is a great one because I'm pretty sure this is quite expensive regularly. If not, it's just really good because I've been hearing about this all the time. So there's number one. This one is just a skin balm. Now I am curious to see how this is gonna work, only because like, you ever seen like Pat McGrath does it sometimes where they do like the glass skin type of thing where like the highlight is just glistening. Look at the packaging. First of all, look how nice that is. Oh, that's gonna be everything. Then we got this red lip liner. Okay, so this is the color. It's super fiery. I feel like it would look nice with Max Ruby Woo or something like that, and it does glide on good. We got this Dose of Colors palette, right? You get all these. Wow, I'm pretty sure y'all, I get confused with these because I never know like what direction these will go, but I'm pretty sure I'm using this one, which is Cherry Woo. Oh, she's cute. Do you see the difference? Like, yes, that's it. And lastly, I think is gonna be my favorite. We got this Iconic.London lip gloss, and I'm so excited because I've never tried them before and I keep seeing great things about them, and this is like my favorite lip gloss color, so hopefully this turns out great. Oh, this is lip plumping. Ooh. She's cute. Like, it's not too much, it's not too little. Alright y'all, so that's it. All the information for BoxyCharm will be down below in the description box. You guys can go check them out. The box is only $25 a month, and everything in the box is valued, I think, over $125. So you're getting a lot for your money. They also added customization stuff, so you can like find your own thing with your own skin tone. Like, there's a bunch of new little like trinkets and options on the website, so make sure you guys go check that out. Bonus, anybody new that signs up this month will get a gift with your purchase. Also, for my Facetune users out there that just dibble and dabble, BoxyCharm and Facetune have partnered up. There's also a 33% exclusive discount for BoxyCharm members only. I'll have that link down below as well. Lastly, there is an exclusive giveaway over $1,200 in value. You heard me. So what you have to do is, number one, follow BoxyCharm and Facetune. Then you can download the Facetune app. I'll have the link in the description box below. And then you just have to post your selfie using the BoxyCharm filter, and then I'll have all the things that you need to tag in the description box below. Alright y'all, so that is it. Make sure y'all go check out all the links that I have in the description box for you. And now we can get on to this video. Okay, so let's just do this. But first, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? We're gonna give you a couple seconds to do that. Did you do it? Good. Now you can watch the video, and welcome to our family. Also, follow me on my socials. This is where you can participate in polls, all that fun stuff, or whatever. Let's just get into this. So all the things that I'm gonna say are gonna apply to you whether you're in a relationship or not, but there are certain things that I am gonna hit on if you are in a relationship, or if you have been insecure in a relationship and you don't want to have to go through that again. Something that my dad told me that really has stuck with me is, if you are in a relationship, if you have one, if you have insecurities about being in one because you feel like he's gonna cheat on you, or you have been cheated on, blah blah blah, whatever it is, my dad told me this: if you think you have a weak man, you have something to worry about. Your insecurities about if he's gonna cheat on you or not is right, because you chose to be with someone, a man or woman, that you think is weak. If they're weak, they are gonna give into temptations like that. They are gonna be looking at every next thing. Like, there might be something for you to worry about. But if you do not have a weak man, or you do not have a weak woman, there's nothing for you to be stressed about until it happens. Because if you think your man is strong, if you know your woman is strong, they're not going to give in to little temptations like that and throw away what you two have built. It's not worth it for them. They're stronger than the little temptations of a girl with bigger boobs or a bigger ass than you. So that's something that I think you guys should always remember. It's just, if you think you're with a weak man, you need to get a new one, or a weak woman, you need to get a new one. Because if you can't tell whether or not they're going to do it, might not be the one you want to waste your time with. Now, just you specifically, if you're feeling insecure just about yourself, you kind of have to figure out what is causing that. Like, for example, maybe your family at home was body shaming you, so now you're uncomfortable with your body. Now you're covering your body, or you're trying to eat more or less, or whatever it is. Maybe that's why. Maybe you had another trauma that's causing another type of insecurity for you. Try and dig deep and figure out why you're having the insecurities you're having. And then once you have identified that, then we can work on it. Okay, maybe my family did call me blah blah blah, and that's why I feel this way about my body now. But that was them projecting their insecurities and their miserable feelings onto me. I'm not gonna let them do that. I am a shield to that. You can project all you want to onto me, but I'm a shield that's gonna bounce right back and reflect onto you. I am a mirror of yourself. And that's how you have to feel about people that make you insecure. You are a mirror for them. They're looking at you, looking at themselves. They can't understand why they feel that way about themselves. They don't understand why they're insecure about that. So they're like, let me make her feel bad about herself about this or whatever. Let's say maybe they feel like they're fat, so now they're calling you fat, right? Because they can't accept it for themselves. So do not allow yourself to be a sponge of what's being said to you. Allow yourself to be a shield. Allow yourself to act as a mirror for them. I think that's really, really important. It's just like identifying whether or not it's a you problem or a them problem. Now, if you've done all that digging and stuff like that and you just can't figure out why you're still insecure, it really might be a societal issue. So if you're insecure about, if you're insecure about, oh, my boobs aren't big enough, my butt's not big enough, my waist is too big, whatever it is, that's probably a societal issue. So something that I can say for that specifically is, make sure, if you are on social media, make sure to be engaging and following with people that look like you or that do not make you feel like trash about your body. So if your insecurities are that you don't have the Coke bottle shape of Kim Kardashian, it's probably not a good idea for you to be following Kim Kardashian. In school, if you get like a bad grade on a test or something and the person next to you worked really hard and got a good grade, you can compare yourself to that because you didn't work like she worked. So she got a great grade and you didn't. That's realistic. You're on the same playing field here. But these other comparisons of bodies and Instagram models and it's not realistic. You're not in a position to do what they can do right now. Make sure you're following people that are representing what you're insecure about, because that way it shows you you're able to be confident in that body type, in that hair, in that whatever it is. They're showing you and they're exuding the confidence that you need to have. Understand that the body that you're in and the face that you have and everything that you are was wonderfully and perfectly made. I touched on this in my how to like love your body video. This is what I was kind of talking about. It's just like, this is what you were given, so what are you gonna do with it? There's just no reason in wasting time in your life, which is short. That's the sad truth. It is so short. There's just no point in wasting time being like, oh, I hate the fact that my belly button is like this. Oh, I hate this. Oh, I hate that. It's not gonna change right now. It's just not. So what is the point of dwelling on it? You have to pick yourself up out that hole that you're in and be like, you know what? I have it. Like, just say it. I have this whatever belly button. I have these stretch marks. I have them. They're there. So what am I gonna do to myself to make sure that I can accept this? You have it, okay? Just kind of looking at yourself in the mirror and forcing yourself to deal with whatever insecurities you have is crucial. So like, I would just look at myself in the mirror, like literally naked, whatever, and I would just be like physically and like verbally saying positive affirmations about my body, training my mind to feel that way every time I saw my body. Now, if every time you see your body, you're sitting here talking about some, I hate my body, this is so ugly, I'm so fat, I'm so this, you're literally training your mind to feel that way about your body. But now if you look at your body and you look at your face and everything in the mirror and you're telling yourself, I am beautiful, these boobs I have, perfect, this waist I have, perfect, I love my curves, I love my stretch marks, I love, you're training your mind to get out of that negative hole and push it towards a positive thinking, towards, you're literally conditioning yourself. And this is proven, like conditioning is a real thing. So condition yourself to feel that way about your body. Lie to yourself as long as you need to until you actually feel like that. These are normal though, like no matter how great and like confident you are, you're still gonna get insecure sometimes. It's okay. We're human beings. Like, it's okay to feel that way, but it's not okay to feel that way every day of your life. It's not okay to have it affecting your day-to-day life. It's just not. And then if you're feeling insecure in like a social setting or something like that, there's nothing to be insecure about. There are billions and billions of people in this world. If somebody wants to be an ass to you, if somebody wants to be rude to you or doesn't want you as a friend or whatever, that is their loss. This goes along with just confidence in the long run. You have to learn to be confident in who you are inside and out. And if they can't appreciate that and they don't want to be a part of your world, deuces, that is your loss. I'll give it to somebody else or I'll give it back to myself. There's no reason to be insecure about like, oh, I don't want to go up to these people because what if they don't like me? Okay, you don't have to like me because I like me. Before you guys start doing stuff like that, really work on how you feel about yourself. Really work on being your own best friend, having your own confidence, because if you put yourself in situations where you're not confident, it's just gonna make it worse. You have to love you before you love anybody else. You also should just identify the things that you feel like are strong about you. So if you're intelligent, if you're witty, if you're artistic, identify those things and use them to your fullest power. So if you're artistic, do artistic stuff as much as possible. Show your artistic side. If you're intelligent, maybe tutor some people. You can make friends like that. Like, there's so many ways for you to show and showcase what your abilities are and your strengths are, and that might remind you of how great you are. And if you feel like you're not good at anything or you don't have any strengths, you just have not found them. So try a little bit of everything. Put yourself out there. So like if you're insecure about your face and you don't like going out without makeup, try to wear less and less and less makeup as you go on and see how confident you get. Wear less and less and be like, you know what? I look beautiful. It's okay that I have some acne scars. It's okay that I have this hyperpigmentation. It's okay. That's normal. We're women. We're human. It's just normal. So just start trying to like inch your way towards showing that insecurity and accept it. That's you. That's exactly what makes you you. Nobody else looks like you. Nobody else can do what you do. It doesn't matter. These things are so trivial, especially if insecurity is about your outside body, because what is so important is who you are. What do you stand for? What do you think about issues? Who are you? This is just the body that's allowing who you are inside to function. That's how we need to look at it. This is just a shell of who I am. This is how I'm going to present who I am inside. So I'm gonna look my best. I'm gonna do what I can to be most confident in my outer appearance because that's what people are going to see first. But I'm gonna make sure who I am inside reflects that. I'm gonna make sure this right here, all of this, is the shell and the vessel that allows me to get my purpose and my message across. Stop fixating on your body. Stop fixating on physical things. You want to be insecure about something? If you're a terrible human being, if you bully people, if you're this and that, be insecure about that. I'm going to tell you that right now. Be insecure. That's terrible. You should be insecure about that. You should be working on fixing that. Those are things we're insecure about. But because I have a bigger nose, because I have, I don't know, some rolls on my stomach, because I have this, because I'm taller than everybody in my grade as a girl or whatever. Okay, and what? If people are so fixated on that and they're bullying you for that or whatever it is, they're shallow and they hate themselves. A person who loves themselves inside and out would never have nothing to say like that. It would never be like, look at her, she's so freakishly tough. No, you hate yourself, because if you love yourself, you would be making sure that others love themselves as well. You would have nothing to say about her, because how does she affect you? She doesn't. If you're allowing your outward insecurities to seep inward and then you're pushing that back out to other people, that is toxic. You are a negative human being. Like, you have to address that. And I'm not going to tell you guys like, if you're bullying somebody or if you've ever bullied somebody, you're the worst person ever, you should just never ever do anything ever again. No, but you definitely should address it, and if you aren't addressing it, then you will become a terrible person. Like, it's just gonna fester and fester and fester in you, and all you're gonna spew out is negativity. And I truly believe in like energy and things like that, and if all you're putting out is negative energy, best believe you're gonna get that back tenfold. I promise you that. And then your life is just literally negative. You're just gonna go down this long tunnel, because it's like one thing, it's a domino effect, and you're gonna be in the bottom of this tunnel like, how did I allow myself to get here? And there are 50, 60, 70-year-old women still at the bottom of that tunnel because you didn't want to do the work. So now here I am pushing you to do the work. Alright y'all, so that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to put this out so you guys can, you know, a little confidence boost, whatever you need like that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see y'all in my next one.